All right, guys, so hopefully you can see this now. So parallel lines and transversals. So if two parallel lines are cut by a transversal, then each pair of corresponding angles, right? So each pair of corresponding angles are congruent, is congruent. Each pair of alternate interior angle is congruent. Each pair of alternate exterior angles is congruent. Each pair of consecutive interior angle is supplementary. Supplementary means it equals to 180 degrees, right? And recall from unit 1, vertical angles are always congruent, right? So vertical angles are these, right? These are always the same vertical angles. So let's just say this is 45 degrees, then this is also 45 degrees. And the linear pair is always supplementary. So supplementary means 180 degrees. So if we know one angle measure, then we can find them all. So here, I'm going to go through the video and hopefully you guys understand, right? So a given measure angle 1 equals 65 degrees. So we're looking at measure angle 1. Now measure angle 1 is equal to, let me zoom in, 65 degrees. Now what I know about vertical angles is that angle 1 and angle 3 are the same. So angle 3 is 65 degrees. Now what I also know is that here, my angle 2 and angle 1, they add up to 180. So if I subtract 65 from 180, I should get, let's see, 10 minus 5 is 5. That's a 7 now. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. So then here, I get 115 degrees. Now again, angle 2 and angle 4, they are vertical angles. So you're going to see this all year, guys. 115 degrees, so that means that they are the same, 115 degrees. And that is how you do those. And then, let's see, angle 2, let me do a different color. Let's do purple. So angle 2 here, so I'm just going to purple it out here. And angle 6 are the same. So that means that angle 6 is 115 degrees. These are called corresponding angles, right? Corresponding, let's see, angles, corresponding angles right here, right? Right here. Now let's see what else. Now we know that angle 6 is the same as angle 8 because they're vertical angles, right? So this is 115 degrees. And we know that angle 7 using the same thing as angle 3, right? So angle 3 here, let me keep it consistent, different color. So here I'm going to start 65, so this means this is also 65 degrees. And then if we know that angle 7 and angle 8 are vertical angles, then that means that this right here is also 65 degrees, right? And that's all of them. And now we just plug away. So angle 2, I'm going to try to keep it color coordinated, is 115 degrees. So 115 degrees is my answer. And again, I showed you earlier in the video, you got to put the degree symbol. You got to get used to these little extra steps. Now, angle 3, right, is 65 degrees. So 65 degrees. Angle 4, measure angle 4 is 115 degrees, and it's pink 1, 1, 5. And then angle 5 is green, 65 degrees. And then angle 6 is purple, 115 degrees. And then angle 7 is green, 65 degrees. And then angle 8 is purple, 115 degrees. And these are your answers, guys. These are your answers. This is how you do them. I know I did them kind of quick because I've been doing these for years, and it's just getting practice, right? So knowing what these are right here, alternate interior angles, we'll get more into that. So just an example, alternate interior will be 3 and 5, right? Angles 3 and angle 5. Alternate exterior will be 8 and 2. Consecutive interior will be 3 and 6. So we'll practice more of those later, but right now we're just trying to get you to do transversals and angles. Okay, so number 2, example 2, which is, that's the same as example 1. Now here, example 3, we're gonna do that together, and hopefully you guys understand how to do this. So let's get to it, right? Now, what I'm gonna do here next, it says given angle measure 5, so measure angle 5 is equal to 82 degrees. So let's see, I'm given this right here, 82 degrees, find the measure of each missing angle. So if I know that angle 5, right, it's right here, angle 5 is 82 degrees, then I know that angle 8 is also 82 degrees, and that's by vertical angle theorem. So then I go to angle 8, and it's 82 degrees. So now, what else can I do with angle 8 and angle 5? Well, I know, right, recall that a straight line is 180 degrees, right? So if I subtract 82 degrees, that's going to give me the missing one. So 0 minus 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. Okay, that looks weird. It's 8. So that's a 7 now. So 17 minus 8 should be 98. So now I have 98 right over here. So let me do this color. So angle 2 is going to be 98 degrees. Now if they both should add up to 180, right? So angle 2 is 98 degrees. So then that means the opposite side is also 98 degrees. So let me write that down. 98 degrees is right here, and angle 11 is also 98 degrees. Oh, missed it. 98 degrees. Now, what else can I do? Okay, I can keep going. So I know that angle 7 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 2 should add up to 180 because they're supplementary, right? So I'm going to use this formula, consecutive interior angles. So I'm using this one, right? Consecutive interior angles is 180. So angle 7 and 2 is that, but that lets me know that if this is 180, these two, 7 and 2 are 180, then my other missing one is 82 degrees. So angle 7 is also 82 degrees. Now, I know that angle 7 and angle 4 are vertical angles, so that lets me know that this is 82 degrees. I know that angle 1 and angle 4 add up to 180, right? So then that lets me know that angle 1 here is 98 degrees. 98 degrees, so angle 1 is 98 degrees. And then angle 1 is vertical to angle 10, so that is 98 degrees. So angle 10 is 98 degrees. Let's see, what else do I know? So I need 3, 6, 12, and 9. So again, just using the consecutive interior ones. Angle 3 and angle 8 add up to 180. So 82 plus 98, right? So this is 98. Angle 3 is 98. So then angle 12 is vertical angles to angle 3, which is 98 degrees. And then angle 6. So let me do angle 9. So let me write it down, 98 degrees. So then angle 9, right? Angle 9 here plus 98 degrees is 180, but we already did the math. So if you guys haven't figured out the pattern, it's just adding and subtracting from 180. 82 degrees. So angle 9 is 82 degrees. Now angle 9, angle 6 are the same. So that means this is also 82 degrees. And then the last one, angle 4, I didn't write it down. Okay, it is 82 degrees. And that is how you do today's assignment, guys. I hope this helps you a lot. If it doesn't help you, it's because you're not watching the videos, guys. Make sure you watch the videos. All right, and that is everything for this lesson, guys. So again, thank you again, and hopefully you guys enjoy it.